everyone. I am Archita Sahu from PM3 Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Sagar.
I am Anshika Dubey, KV number 2 Sagar.
Today I would like to speak about my idea under VIKSIT Bharat, that is how to save our crops from animals and how to make dirty water clean.
Today I am going to tell about you our small project. In our India, farmers face a big problem. Animals like cows often enter the field and eat the crops. To solve this problem, we made a sensor system. This sensor is connecting to the boundary of the field, and when any animal come near a field, buzzer starting ringing, they help to farmer protect the crop easily.
We also worked on another problem, dirty water. Many people don't get clean water from daily use, so we made a water purification model. In it, we used big stones, small stones, charcoal, sand and cotton. This layer clean the dirty water and make it safe to use at home. Now we can see that this is our crop, this is our boundary, and we can do it. If any living organism touch it, so this buzzer ringing. Now this is our model of water purification. We use big stones, small stones, charcoal, sand and cotton. This layer clean the dirty water. You can see that this is clean water. Thank you.